Okay, so is this Ace's brothers? Because I have a friend. I'm not sure if it's, oh, it is a bit creative. It's them. Okay, so one of my friends said this was completely his style. So I really wanted to check it out because he has a good music style. So, uh, but I heard Ace's brothers are really a strong group. That's all I heard, and everyone liked it. So, I mean, this is already something.
Has the day invaded the night, or has the night invaded the
This is already something.
day?
Is this like a CD?
Foul's
Oh, oh my god, there's so many. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, hip hop style.
Now break the rules. 건 우리의 mission don't need a tools. Oh yeah, we flip it, I win it. 우린 끝없이 날아가지 shake it up 터뜨려 boom. From the bottom to the roof, we're in together. 지금 이 순간이 느낀 대로 했다. Take it on left, take it on right, take it on backside. 괜찮아, 원래 모든 넌 the B-side.
Why it is so much happening? Oh, so that was actually a CD. It's so much happening. Oh, we're collecting. I like this guy's rap. He rapped already, didn't he? Oh, there's so many people in the downside. Voice. That guy has a strong presence. I don't know if it's the air, but oh, okay. So the coin is their tip.
If you try, yeah, if you try, yo, 끝이 없지, 앞만 보고 달려. If you try, yeah, if you try, yo, 겁이 없지, 우린 계속 달려.
Okay. So much happening. Wow. Okay, it's not the city, it's that thing. I don't remember the name. Wow, that was something. It's something different from normal. I like it. 1 million already. Okay. I mean, it's been some time, 1 month. I like it. Oh, this is the one people told me about. Oh, okay, chaotic again. Okay. A skeleton and a unicorn. Oh, there's the names. Oh, this is the guy I said that he had a strong vibe. Okay, so this is Yo Ye Jung. I don't know if it said the first one. But he's a cutie. Okay. This man is cute or cool? Cute, definitely. I like his aura. Oh, damn. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. Okay, there was another name. Seoyeon. Oh, okay. Strong guy. Oh, okay. I love the animation, like that's AI, right? Oh, that's unicorn's name. I feel like this one was like an intro for them. I don't know if it was or not, but I liked it. Okay, I was gonna ask how many. So we have Rio. Okay, it's the cutie. Okay, actually it's the cutie. 2-1? Oh no. Wait a second. Now I need to. I love 2-1. Who is it? Oh, it was the new guys, right? Like the second members. Yeah. Okay, I remember his face, but unfortunately I stopped following to Tuan when I loved him. I stopped following Tuan when some members got out and another ones came in. Still like the guys. I think I heard one thing or another, but not enough for me to get to know the members. I knew Genta. Oh my god, it's right. I was having a I knew Renta, but I don't remember the other ones. Because I was really happy Renta joined, but then I didn't know the other members. So you know. Okay. So leader. Former Boys Planet. I think I need to see this. I like this group. I like this one a lot. Oh, I remember him. I don't remember much, but I remember him slightly. Yeah, I do remember. I saw Boys Planet. So yeah, Min.E and Taeyang. Another Taeyang. Oh, there's one more. Okay, I guess I'll do a marathon then. Oh, we're going with the AI again.
Got the hiccups. Yeah, I'm gonna 시작이 될
Oh!
never see me. 피할 수 없어 이미 I can
No, right?
going crazy. 터뜨리는 순간 느껴 liberate. Stop, baby, do. I'ma do what I do. 거침이 없어 우리들. Keep it real, keep it cool.
I love their beats.
Don't be dumb, I slam dunk it up 'cause we got the funk. ain't nothing like this. 판을 바꿔 ISIS. 언제든 mic check. 내 목소리 boundless. Don't roll the dice. We making sure it's right, yeah. 이틈을 high. I'ma pick up for your life, yeah. 난 컷 not anymore. And I don't pop
I
like
love their
many
beats.
guys. 난 컷 not anymore. And I don't pop like many young guys. Friction. 필요하다면 난 감당해. I'm not fiction. 끌어올라 뜨겁게. Now keep your cool. It's just a hiccup, baby.
What? What? Wait, first of all, what is happening here? Why do the shoes have teeth? But the transition, that was... Okay. So, is this like well, I can't understand why this is the most repeated part. So this is one thing, one video. This is like a mesh cut from another video, but it goes to another video instead of going to this one. Wow. And also, I think he's something else. This is not the same take, because exactly. Oh my gosh, is it? Crazy. They made sure you saw his like band. the boxers band. They were making sure you saw that. Like, not one, not two, not three, but 4. I loved it. I love this. Their style. I mean, no, I already saw this one. Thank you. Also, I love it. Their MVs are crazy. I don't know what to say. Like, right? I saw a girl someone saying probably one of the shortest K-pop MV. Yeah, it's so short, but I paused so much that I'm actually impressed with this group. I didn't know them. I knew they were Ace little brothers. Unfortunately, Ace are not there anymore, but I knew they were Ace little brothers and heard a lot of good stuff about them. I'm actually not I'm actually thankful I reacted to them. I liked it a lot.